documentary video for footage. Um, Came up with an awesome idea to show the impact of what I've learned over 25 years of being a diabetic, and how it's not the struggle or the difficulty of managing it or the disease that's shaped who I am at all. It's more like the intense discipline and like the challenge that has shaped me. And I'm trying to capture that essence somehow in a video in less than 2 minutes, kind of saying like that there's like an essence, like the simple gesture of injecting yourself, 10 times a day, as mundane and boring and like systematic as it is, it's also, when it's done consistently over decades, it becomes like a skill. And it's not the what you're doing that's a skill. It's that you've done it, underneath bleachers at a soccer game, in school, in first grade, in high school, with a girlfriend. You've done it in college, you did it in grad school, like you've done it at work, right? You did it in a car, you did it in a van, you did it on the bus on the way to a game. Like, you did it out in the rain, you did it in the snow, like all these different moments where you've had to inject your medication, and it's defined how you got through each and every difficulty, because it becomes like a staple item in your life where you had to do it at all costs, no matter what was going on around you. Like, it didn't matter what was happening at all in your environment, you had to inject your insulin, right? So like, by default, it's what fuels the inspiration to come up with a lot of these ideas, that ADHERE is built around, is because of each and every one of those moments represents the ability to have some insight to like see a small moment that can make a difference for somebody else. It's such a delicate, fragile moment in time. And by experiencing that over and over again, you start to see very clearly these solutions to things, like things that just you wouldn't ever really discover unless you did it every day like that. And so then it really started getting me thinking about, are there these talents and gifts that people have, they don't even realize, from something that they've done every day since they're a kid, and they just never took the time to look at it yet. So anyway, we're gonna get this footage. It's a little stressful because we're gonna be dropping our insulin and stuff, to get the footage. And these are glass vials and stuff, and I'm just keeping my, just really, really hoping that none of this stuff breaks, because I don't have too much. But yeah, I think it's worth it. I'm willing to put it all on the line, because my goal is to show you what it is that I have to bring to the table, what it is that I'm bringing that's novel and new and different and has never been done before. And the insight is where it's at. It's like, it's not just a backpack, it's not just a pod pack. Like, it's this beautiful sculptural, like, amazing piece of technology that is going to be so well integrated and so well thought out in so many corners and crevices and all the different areas of it, that it's really going to have this monumental impact on how you get through your day. And it's really because of each and every one of those moments I had to learn on how to get through my day. And I'm sharing the solution with you. So with that, we'll get this footage.